Good morning, dear students. I am taking revision and now I will take revision from chapter 9, and name of the chapter 9 is the housing and clothing. Name of the chapter 9 is the housing and clothing. House. We need a house to live in. We need a house to live in, and a house protect us from cold weather, animals and thieves. A house protect us from cold weather, from bad weather, from animals and from the thieves. And early humans lived in caves. Early humans lived in caves, and slowly man learned how to build houses. And people use different material to build houses. Two types of house are there. First one is the kacha house, second one is the pakka house. And for the kacha house and for the pakka house, different types of materials are needed. So mud, straw, brick, sticks, bamboo, wood, stones, bricks and cement are some of the materials used to build houses. And kacha and pakka houses. Kacha and pakka houses. Kacha or weak houses. Kacha or weak houses are made of mud and straw. Kacha and weak houses are made of mud and straw. And pakka or strong houses are made of bricks and cement. And all houses have roofs, walls and floor. All houses have roofs, walls and floors. And roofs of houses may be flat or sloping. And in plains the houses have flat roofs. Why in plains the houses have flat roofs? Because and in hilly regions the houses have sloping roofs. So whenever there is heavy rain or snowfall, it slides off the roofs. And in areas where it rains heavily, almost throughout the year, and ground becomes marshy, wooden houses are built on strong poles. Or stilts, and such houses are called the stilt houses. And houses made of snow are called the igloos. And an igloo is a dome shaped with a long narrow passage just like a funnel. And igloo is made up of snow. The houses made up of snow are called the igloos. And an igloo is dome shaped with a long narrow passage just like a funnel. And some people lead a moving life. They are moving from one place to another. So they stay at one place for some time, and then again when they are going, then again stay for some days in that particular place. So they build houses that can be moved from one place to another. And such type of houses are called the temporary houses. Tent, caravans and houseboats are examples of temporary houses. Houseboats are example of temporary houses. And a good house is one in which people can live comfortably and safely. And we must keep our house clean. We must keep our house clean. And we must also keep our surroundings clean. Clothes. As we know that we need clothes to wear, and clothes protect us from the heat, from cold, and from the rain. And clothes also protect us from the dust and insects bites. Means if cloth protect us from the heat, from the cold, from the rain. So it cloth provide protection. Cloth provide protection, and cloth protect us from the dust and insects bites also. Dust and insects bite also. And we look decent and smart in clothes. We look decent and smart in clothes. And we wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer, and cotton clothes keep us cool. Cotton clothes keep us cool. They absorb sweat readily. They absorb sweat readily. And we wear woolen. Why do we wear woolen clothes in winter? Because woolen clothes do not allow air to circulate easily. It do not allow air to circulate easily. And why do we? So heat of the body is preserved and we feel warm. And why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because cotton cloth keeps us cool and it absorbs sweat readily. And we also use leather to make clothes for winter. We also use leather to make clothes for winter. And we wear raincoat. We wear raincoat when we go out in rains. We wear a raincoat when we go out in rains. And a raincoat is made of waterproof material. A raincoat is made up of waterproof material like rubber or plastic. Like rubber or plastic. And we also wear gumboots. We also wear gumboots and use an umbrella to protect us from rain. And use an umbrella to protect us from the rain. What have you learned? What have you learned in this chapter? Mud, straw, sticks, bamboo, wood, stones, bricks, and cement are some of the materials used to build houses. Mud, straw, sticks, bamboo, wood, stones, bricks, cement are some of the materials used to build houses. And in plains, the houses have flat roofs. In hilly regions, the houses have sloping roofs. And a good house is one in which people can live comfortably and safely. And clothes protect us from the heat, from the cold, from the bad weather, and it protects us from the dust and insect bites. More to know. A house is place where we live, eat, rest, sleep, work and play. And a house is the place where we live, we eat, rest, sleep, work and play. Clothing includes all types of clothes. Clothing includes all types of clothes, ornaments, shoes, sandals, belts, etc. So this is all about chapter 9 and chapter 9 housing and clothing. First you will read this chapter and then you will take a revision 2-3 times. If you will read 2-3 times if you will read, then you can able to understand what is given in the chapter. Then 2-3 questions are arising from the Here just like what is igloo and why do we wear cotton cloths in summer, why do we wear cotton cloths in winter. So some questions are arising from here, from this chapter. So you will take revision of this chapter properly.